Welcome to my review of Lendkey Robo-advisor for investing. Watch before using. Lendkey is a fully automated investment platform that simplifies the investment process through low-cost, passive investment strategies. Designed primarily for beginner to intermediate investors, this platform leverages technology to build, manage, and optimize portfolios based on a user's financial goals and risk tolerance. With Lendkey, users gain access to diversified portfolios consisting of exchange-traded funds, ETFs, all while enjoying the convenience of automated portfolio management. It aims to make investing more accessible by offering a simple interface, low fees, and transparency in its investment strategies. The platform's main feature is its goal-based approach, allowing you to set specific financial objectives, whether it's saving for retirement, a major purchase, or general wealth building, and the system will tailor your portfolio to match your needs. One of its standout features is its low fee structure, which is one of the most affordable in the industry, with management fees typically lower than traditional financial advisors or even other robo-advisors. Another key feature is the tax optimization strategy, helping users minimize taxes through tax loss harvesting, which is crucial for maximizing investment returns. It also offers automatic rebalancing, ensuring your portfolio stays aligned with your risk profile and investment goals over time. Lendkey provides a straightforward, user-friendly experience, making it ideal for those who want to start investing but don't want the complexities or high costs often associated with traditional investment management. However, there are a few drawbacks to note. Lendkey doesn't offer as many investment options or customization compared to some other platforms, which might be limiting for more experienced investors who prefer more control over their investment choices. Additionally, the platform lacks personalized financial advice, meaning users won't have a dedicated advisor to help with more intricate financial decisions. Overall, Lendkey is an excellent choice for those looking for a low-cost, automated way to invest with minimal effort. But it's not suitable for those seeking high levels of personalization or advanced investment strategies. If you're looking for a hands-off, efficient, and cost-effective way to grow your wealth, Lendkey could be the right fit for you.